College football is an American pastime that is just as popular as the National Football League. Every fall, many college stadiums pack out as fans witness history being made and records being shattered. In Georgia, the oldest historically black college in the state has had several run-ins with both victory and utter defeat. Known as the Savannah State Tigers, the team has taken the field for nearly 100 years with 4 championships under their belt. Playing their first game in 1915, the Tigers were in the Independent League for 6 seasons before moving to the National Association of Intercollegiate Athletics, also known as the NAIA. The Tigers played in the NAIA for 30 years, bringing home 4 championships in 1938, again 10 years later in 1948, as well as 1950, and one last time in 1956. After many victories, the Tigers would move back to the Independent League, where they faced winless seasons in 1963 and 1964, but their luck would soon change. In 1969, the team would move up from the Independent League to Division II in the Southern Intercollegiate Athletic Conference, also known as the SIAC. The team had an impressive season in 1992 with 8 wins and a first-round playoff appearance under the guidance of Coach Bill Davis. Coach Davis played a role in the development of notable players to come out of SSU, such as Roy Ellison, who would eventually go to become an established official for the NFL and umpire Super Bowl 43, and Shannon Sharpe, who would dominate the NFL and obtain 3 Super Bowl championships. The Tigers have produced many notable athletes in the seasons to come. In 2002, the team would go to join the Independent Schools Division I Football Championship subdivision. During their 8 seasons in the league, the team had notable players on their roster such as former child star Taj Mowry, who played running back for 1 season, and Chadrick Cohn, who set records for the team such as having an impressive 1,354 rushing yards.
My experience at Savannah State was awesome, man. I've met people who I've never seen before. It's like it said, you can get anywhere from here, and I did that. I'm a CEO of a company now. I am a motivational speaker. I'm a life coach. I'm a counselor. I did all that coming from SSU.
Cohn would go on to be signed by the Georgia Force of the Arena Football League in 2006 and the Columbus Lions of the American Indoor Football Association in 2009. He says that his experiences with the team played a role in future successes.
What SSU football did for me is getting it right the first time. And I take that in business, when I'm conducting business, when I'm teaching, do it right the first time. You do it right the first time, you don't have to worry about doing it again.
The team is still going strong. Now in the Mid-Eastern Athletic Conference under the leadership of Coach Ernest Wilson, the Tigers hope to continue to produce great athletes and fight their way to the top.